Hey, what's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this thumbsticks on your Xbox One. As you can see, they're all worn out. And we're going to use this. I'm going to put the link on the description down below where you can get this replacement. And it comes with the tools, the special tools that you're going to need. So first thing first, you're going to remove the batteries. Alright, them two batteries, put them all away. Alright, second thing we're going to do, you see that panel right there? There's two of them, left and right. We're going to pry them off, the left side and the right side, the part back of it. Alright, so this is the special tools I'm talking about that comes with it. So check the link on the description down below where you can buy this. Alright, pop off. And then we're going to work on the left one. That's the right side. This is the left side. Just walk it and talk it. Like that. So both of them are all out. Now it comes with two like Phillips screws, so we're gonna use the yellow one. So the third step is to remove all the 5 screws. There are 5 of them, 1, 2, and then on the other side 3, 4, and then right behind the sticker, okay, there's one in there. So 5 of them. So I'm gonna start work it out. 5 of them, take them all out. And then we're gonna peel off this sticker to get access to the last screw. So I already took out 4, and the 5th one is right behind this sticker right here. Peel them all out. Let me show you. It's right there. Yeah, right there. Blau. So what you want to do? You're gonna take that one out. So this is the last one. And then pull it off, back side of it. You can see the board, flip him over, okay, and then take him off. Alright, easy as that. Now this is the bad thumbstick. All you have to do, okay, all you have to do is pull him out, okay, and then you're gonna use, make sure you line up the new thumbstick rectangular, okay? Press him down. Press him down hard. And then test it out. Make sure, it flicks back and forth. And then same thing. Okay? Just put it back how you got it out. Okay? Front and back. Put it back together. And then put all the 5 screws in. Easy peasy, right? There you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.